Hey everybody, Dr. Michael here. I'm excited to talk to you about our new service, Focused Shockwave Therapy. So what is focused shockwave therapy? Well, we use high energy sound waves to cause tissue regeneration. So this technology was actually started when they were doing lithotripsy, which is where they break up kidney stones. When they were utilizing this, they started noticing tissue changes, and so the bone was actually getting more dense on the x-ray and imaging. The soft tissues where they had tears and lesions and things like that were actually healing up as well. What they were finding is this technology actually works on the cellular level. Your body is just like a computer. When you open it up, it starts going through these steps and orders to cut on. When we utilize the focused shockwave, it causes your body to go through the steps and the sequences to start regenerating those tissues. That's going to clear out inflammation almost immediately. This therapy has been utilized all over the MLB, the NFL, the NBA. This is really for the highest level of athletics, whether you're in the NFL or you're just the weekend warrior that gets injured on the trail. Some common things that we see in the office that we can treat are things like plantar fasciitis in the feet, ankle issues where we've had a surgery that's just not quite healed up the way it's supposed to, joints that need to be rejuvenated, whether that's the knees, the shoulders, even in the neck and spine as well. Patients oftentimes coming in feeling hopeless, like there's not any options left on the table. And so I call that the industry lie. And the industry lie goes something like this. We've got this toolbox that we're utilizing, and in this toolbox, we've got things like medication, injections, joint replacements, and other surgeries. And traditionally, those are last resort options. We've got to be pretty bad off. In reality, there's a lot of options over here in this toolbox. Things like tissue repair, losing weight, changing diet and lifestyle, getting our nervous system free and clear from subluxation. If the only tools in our toolbox are medication, surgeries, injection, life can be depressing. In reality, when we look at the way the body is designed to heal and we harness that, the sky is ultimately the limit. What we do first is when a patient comes in, we start with a consultation to see what's going on. And ultimately, this is going to allow us to know if this is going to be a good fit for the patient or not. We follow that with what's called a mapping session. We're mapping the area to determine where those hot spots or where the problem areas are. So when we go back and treat those areas, we're treating specifically exactly where those damaged tissue areas are and not wasting any time. Currently, this is only available to our existing patients. I want to encourage you guys to schedule your mapping session to see what's going on and see if we can help you.